Hi. In this session, I will explain and solve an illustration under the head capital gains. In this illustration, Mr. X acquired a house property in the year 2005-6 for 5 lakh and paid 85,000 as registration fees. Mr. X died on 15/9/2010 and the property was transferred to his son Mr. Y by inheritance. The market value of the property as on 15/9/2010 was 12 lakh. Mr. Y sold the property on 31st/5/2018 for 25 lakh 50,000. We have to calculate capital gain. CII is given. Right. Here, the first important thing we have to understand is here the asset is acquired by inheritance. So, this comes under the section 49 subsection 1. So, we have to consider cost of acquisition in the hands of previous owner, that is his father. It should be taken. So, here fair market value on the date of inheritance is need not to be considered. We have to consider this value. Right. So, first we have to take sales price of the house. The sales price is 25 lakh 50,000. Sale price of the house 25 lakh 50,000 less. So first thing we have to check whether there is any transfer fees or commission. So it is not given in the illustration. Next we have to take cost of acquisition. So here purchased in 2005-6, then it is long-term capital asset. So therefore we have to take indexed cost of acquisition, indexed cost of acquisition, that is 5 lakh and registration fees 85,000. So 5 lakh plus 85,000 is equal to rupees 5 lakh 85,000. So 5 lakh 85,000 into CII in which the year the asset is sold, that is 280, divided by CII of this year 2005-6, that is 117. So the value will be 5 lakh 85,000 into 280 divided by 117. The value will be 14 lakh. Directly we shall take here 14 lakh. So no information is given regarding cost of improvement. So therefore long-term capital gain will be, the amount of long-term capital gain will be rupees 25 lakh 50,000 minus 14 lakh, that is 11 lakh 50,000. So this is the long-term capital gain, sale price minus indexed cost of acquisition. Here important point we have to identify and remember is the property is obtained by Mr. Y in the form of inheritance. It comes under section 49 subsection 1. I hope you have understood. Thank you.